New Zealand the way we see it, the way we want it. Aotearoa, the way it's becoming.
Can we make a difference by the way we produce goods, or simply by choosing one product or service over another one? Well, the answer is yes. I'm Matt Gibb, and taking just a few minutes, I'd love to show you why and how easily we can make a real difference.
Hurricanes, floods, droughts, more species endangered, air that's dangerous to breathe. These are global environmental issues worsened or caused by human activity, climate change, and political inaction. But there are local issues such as pollution, recycling and refuse, energy and water use where we are directly and quickly affected, and where each of us can thankfully make a difference. The easiest, most certain way to do this is to find and follow the Environmental Choice label. It's our country's most trusted environmental guide, owned and backed by the Ministry for the Environment. It proves a product is environmentally preferable. You'll find it at the DIY or paint shop, in the builder's yard, on stationery and flooring, and on supermarket shelves.
The seal is on literally thousands of items, but it's not always that easy to find. Not many products have the same level of scientific proof that Environmental Choice does.
Laughing dolphins and terms like ocean-friendly, environmentally friendly, natural, or even biodegradable can be misleading. Like old-fashioned whitewash, greenwash attempts to deceive us by painting over the cracks, making a claim that's totally useless or even worse, just plain untrue. We need to ignore the buzzwords and strange symbols on a label. Only the product with this seal has unbeatable cast iron proof that it's better for the environment and probably better for your health.
Every time a company goes out of its way to make a product or service that's good enough to get this symbol, it becomes a part of the answer to our planet's problems. It deserves and wins loyal customers. The Environmental Choice symbol is also proof that a product does what it says it does, so it actually does work. So the symbol becomes a whole lot more than just a guide to a product being green.
Well, holding the ECNZ licence is very important for our consumers and for our customers because it's an independent verification and it's third-party endorsement that actually our business does operate sustainably.
How does the process work? First, using the latest local and international research, Environmental Choice develops a tough product standard that reflects global best practice for reducing impact on the environment. It then brings in local industry to ensure that that standard can be achieved, even if it is only by the best manufacturers. The standard's then published online and any company can submit its product to be assessed.
It's independently audited by a third party, it's New Zealand based, and it's a world-leading Ecolabel.
Assessments and ongoing supervision are provided by some of the country's most qualified scientists and researchers, looking at the entire life cycle of the components.
Assessors will follow the product ingredients right back up the supply chain, which may mean visiting overseas factories, worker villages, and rainforests.
So maybe now you can get an idea of why Environmental Choice is at the top of the tree when it comes to credibility.
Environmental Choice has the credibility and the integrity as the leading organisation in environmental matters in New Zealand. They are the independent authority.
Kiwis tell us that it's the most trusted New Zealand-based eco-label, and certified products don't need to cost any more.
Once a product proves worthy of the eco-label, an annual review ensures consistency.
The decision to use the Environmental Choice standard actually means that we use that as a basis for our product development, which means that we've always got that core base of environmental sustainability at the start, and then we can develop our products from that point.
The Environmental Choice website is an up-to-date reference list of the brands that you can trust, for everything from printers to playground surfaces, paper towels to paints. There are standards for carpets and car washes, insulation and workstations. Green gyms and offices are recent additions to the services that can prove themselves fit for the seal with the planet and the tick. And in architecture and building, it's the norm to look for Environmental Choice products as a priority. If Homestar and Green Star ratings are important, then Environmental Choice carries weight.
Having Environmental Choice label on our products or associated with our services sets those apart from our competitors in a competitive marketplace. It really is a point of difference.
Manufacturers and customers all benefit from having more effective, environmentally better products. But most of all, it's the survival of our planet and our people that will benefit. This is the symbol. Look for it, recognise it and support it. Why? Because your environmental choice does have the power to make a real difference.